Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. It's up to you. Let's find the photo we'd like to edit and tap on it, so let me pick maybe Harry. Let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. And let me quickly remove the photo, so this is what you will see after entering the contact. So let's start with tapping on this camera icon, and now we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Now we have to find the photo we would like to use. And as you can see right here in this step, we can zoom in or out the photo. We can also change the size of this highlighted square, which is responsible for what we will see after saving the whole contact. Of course, we can change the position of the photo also, and basically frame it just like you want to. You can rotate the picture, up to you, and then tap on Save Copy. As you can see, the photo has been applied here, so let's tap on Save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like with a new photo. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from this specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.